coming. If only Evian drove us, Jay. Quick, pretend to be a ripping royal stud. On you go. I'm right, Jay.
Hi, Tessa.
Oh, who'd you bring with you?
Look, we got into a wrong fault, but I want to know how to get out of here. So, Tessa, I tell her to get Jay, and we have to work.
And...
Yeah, I've been told that before.
Tessa James Elliott. We will not entertain your dumpster pits.
Yes, Mother. Sorry, Mother.
Oh, Christ almighty! I said this one out of my sight!
Oh, you need a chuckle, ma'am.
I still can't follow simple orders.
No, please,
Swamp! Dumping your broken drones clogging our library tomorrow, too.
Say that again about my friends, and you're going to regret it.
Okay.
Yeah, you bet, son. Back up your ass, go ahead, fight me. I'm not afraid to hit a woman. Oh, man, I should never say that.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.